how would you like to get in on a $64 billion market and have an unfair advantage over pretty much everybody else who's buying the same thing? If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Peaceful Sleeping PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric, and I'm known as the man of the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am what a very few people can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, by the way, Raymond Reddington, not a good guy for helping you get sleep. He is a killer after all, from the blacklist. But seriously, if you are new, make sure if you are new, if you're not new, you can go ahead and skip my jokes because I know they're boring and I tell the same jokes all the time. I can't even think straight today because I'm, so sleep deprived. I need this thing myself. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't have very much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, you are responsible for starting this whole thing. There's a whole cast of characters that he's got going around now talking about crap. But he's the one who started it. It's his fault. Bart, it's enough. Stop it. But seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful. Well,
thank you, Liz. And it's good to see you back. She was gone for a while from a couple of my videos. Nice to see her back now. Thank you, Liz, for those kind words. Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so I pulled this up. This is Polaris Market Research. Great website to find out information. Obviously, they charge a fortune if you want to actually purchase a report, $4,000 in order to be a member. And we don't really need that. What we really need is right here. Okay, you can see here, currently it's estimated, this is as of 2021, so 2023, I guess it's a little higher now. That's 21, which is the last time they have official numbers for, because these things are lagging a little bit. The estimated value of the sleep aid marketplace was $64 billion. Now, that's a huge, huge sum of money that, you can get a piece of. And of course, it's estimated that by 2030, it's going to go up to about $118 billion. All right. So this is only, and it's just going to go up. People are just have trouble sleeping. I have trouble sleeping. You can tell I have trouble sleeping. And it happens all the time. So, especially with our world the way it is right now. So what does that mean to you? Well, it basically means that this thing right here is a gold mine waiting to be had. Basically, this is a brand new PLR report called Peaceful Sleeping from my friend Jason. This report you can give away, you can sell it, use it as your own, you can rebrand it, whatever you want to do with it, pretty much. Okay, you're going to get it for about $7. It's currently on a dime sale, so it's currently going for, I think it's $7.07 as of this recording. It might have gone up a little bit by the time you see this video. But you can actually go ahead and give this away or sell it. I would personally give it away because what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to make sure that you have a way to monetize this, because that's always really important. So you can give this away as a free gift just to get leads, and then basically set up a series of emails to these leads and sell them a product all about sleeping. Now, what I want you to have is like this. I want you to have something where you can actually give them either A, you can have a much better lead magnet than just the Peaceful Sleeping report. That is a nicely done report, very easy to read. It's just a basic download. That's why I don't have the review access open here, because there's nothing to see, it's just a download. But it's just going to be a basic download that you can give away. Okay, but I want you to have something that is going to really, really rock your world and also allow you to either have a value add to basically give your customer something that's going to make them say, oh, I really want to get this, so I'm going to give away my email address in exchange for this, or you can also use this as an immediate order bump, basically where people get their free gift, you give this to them, and then after they've gotten this thing, they're going to say, oh, you know what, actually, yeah, I'll spend $5 to go and get this other report that you have available. Now, what's this other report going to be? This report is going to be a general wellness AI system. Okay, I'm going to show you the 4 websites that are included. I put together a brand new video with full PLR rights that you're going to be able to give away to your customers, that they're going to know how to use these different systems, these 4 systems. Okay, I'm going to tell you what they are. It's really, really cool stuff. So the first one is going to be all about religion, asking any kind of questions you have about religion, because a lot of people, when they have trouble sleeping, they turn to religion. And some people just don't feel comfortable talking to a pastor, an imam, a rabbi, a priest, whatever it is. Okay, some people, they really just want to be able to kind of have an anonymous conversation. So what you're going to be able to do with this first AI system is you can actually show them how to ask questions all about their beliefs, their desires, what it is that they need to know about. Okay, and it's a really, really powerful system that's designed to give them just fact-based information about religion. You can actually specify which religion you're interested in, or you can just do general religion as well. And I'm going to show you, by the way, all 4 of these websites before I finish this video. The second thing I'm going to give you is really, really powerful. It's a website that is designed to interpret dreams. Okay, a lot of people, they wake up, they have trouble sleeping because they want to interpret their dreams. This is a website that's specifically designed to help people interpret their dreams. I checked it out. It's actually really, really good at what it does. I put in a dream that I had when I was a kid, and it really was very, very accurate in what it was putting together, about my particular dream. Okay, number 3, I'm going to give you access to a brand new website that is going to basically help you to deal with anxiety. This website is specifically designed to allow your customers to talk about, hey, I'm having trouble with this, that, or the other issue. You know, my problem is that I am worried about money, okay, or I'm worried about my kids. You know, that my kids don't talk to me. Whatever it is, this is a brand new AI-powered system that they can actually have a conversation and ask, hey, this is a problem I'm having. Can you help me? And then the final thing you're going to get in this new PLR package that I put together that is exclusive for me is going to be a brand new website that is designed to help with medical issues. Okay, so people have a medical issue. By the way, all these are completely free. So, you know, none of these are, some of them have like, you can pay extra for additional features, but they're all completely free to use, fully functional, free to use systems. So you're going to get access to my PLR on all 4 of these different websites. I'm going to show you what they are right now, and I'm going to show you in detail how each of them works in my PLR video. So the first one is going to be our church product. Okay, you can see it says here's a religion scholar, and basically all we're going to do is ask it a question. You see Christianity, Mormonism, Islam, Hinduism, Confucianism. Okay, unfortunately, for some reason, it doesn't have Judaism. I don't know why. You know, or Protestantism, or well, I guess Christianity would fall into Protestantism. Anyway, but yeah, so you can ask it whatever questions you like, and basically it's going to answer you. It's very, very simple. This is probably the simplest of these websites. There's really nothing to learn about it, except for just type in your question, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to know. Okay, the next one, this one's a bit more complicated. You basically have to create an account with this system, and you're going to go ahead, and it's free, by the way, to create an account. There's no charge. Once you've done that, you're going to click Create Dream, and you're going to go ahead and tell it what your dream is all about. And it's going to actually go ahead and interpret your dream for you. Okay, I actually, you can see here, I gave it a dream that I had many years ago. All right, this reason this particular dream stuck with me. And you can see here that it's actually giving me a pretty nice interpretation of my dream. All right, I'm going to show you how that works as well. The next one is going to be this app, which is basically all about anxiety, that you're going to be able to tell it, hey, I'm having this and this and this problem. I need help with these anxiety issues. What do I do? It's powered by GPT-4, the same system as ChatGPT Plus, and it's going to give advice on anxiety. And the final thing, this one I thought was really, really cool, actually. Okay, so as a patient, you can go ahead and put in any request that you like, and basically you're going to be able to ask any questions about any of these things. You can specify specific issues, for example, mental health, which is of course part of our requirements here, but you can ask questions about anything you like, and it's actually going to give you personalized advice based on medicine that it actually has listed in its own database. It's actually a really, really cool website. So I'm going to show you all four of these, what they are, how to access them. The whole 9 yards, you're going to get access to everything as part of my custom bonus. And this is, of course, going to come with full PLR rights. Then I'm going to show you exactly how each of these systems work and how to use them so you can actually sell these things. Now, finally, I do want you to be able to monetize this stuff. And so the final piece of the puzzle I'm going to give you, I actually put together a list of 10 other sleep aid products that you can instantly start offering to your list as a thing to sell them, because people are going to say, oh, hey, yeah, I'm getting my free peaceful sleeping guide. Maybe you give them my video, or maybe you sell it to them for $5 or $10, as an order bump when they pick up the free guide. Hey, before you go, here's something you can get additional stuff in. I'm going to show you all these different AI websites that you can use for all these extra things. A lot of people are just going to pick that up right off the bat. That's how I would personally use it, but you can use it if you want to make it an additional thing to offer as a free gift. Whatever you like. Again, it comes with PLR, so you have the right to do with it as you like. But I also want you to be able to monetize these people longer term. So I put together an exclusive list of 10 affiliate products that you can sell to people who are looking for sleep aid. You can actually go ahead and turn around, take these 10 products, sell them to these people, and actually start making money from them as well. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. This really is awesome. And at $7, you really can't go wrong. Grab this thing. If the guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat, but I'm going to tip my hat because this is really, really good. Grab this, you're going to love it.